Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to replace the differential oil on the 2019 Subaru Ascent. There's going to be the front differential and the rear differential. The front one's a little bit complicated, but shouldn't be too bad. The rear one should be very easy. So let's get started. Okay, so this Ascent, a lot of people say that you can keep the hood open wider if you put this brace down here, but for mine it won't go in, so I wasn't able to do it. So what I did was I tied a rope on top there, and I tied it all the way back to the roof rack back here to keep it open wider. And with that, it actually allowed me to reach in here and pull the filler plug up without going underneath. So you can see it right there. So this is the filler plug right here. Okay. So I have jacked my car up on the passenger side, just high enough so that I can get underneath without too much trouble. So I'll show you where the differential oil drain plug is. So we're gonna go underneath. Right there. This guy right here is the differential oil drain plug. So okay, next we're gonna remove this nuts here to drain the differential oil out, and this is gonna require a torque wrench. Is T70. Okay, it's pretty big size. So let me undo that. So as you can see, for the differential oil, it's not as much as the engine oil. So I think we're looking at about 1 quart here. Okay, so it's not that much. I just removed the drain nuts for the differential oil right here. You should have a new gasket or washer ready. This is the one that I bought. So here's the part number. So you need that part number to replace this gasket. Okay, so now we gotta replace the drain nut with the new washer or gasket. Okay, so we have to tighten this with 70 Newton meter of torque. Okay, so I already set this torque for that, so let's do that. Okay, it's back. All right. Okay, that's it right there. So since the filler plug is in a awkward and tight spot, I bought this on Amazon. It's a large syringe for oil. So I'm gonna use this for the first time. I don't know how well it works, but I'm gonna give this a try. Put the oil in here. It comes with some tube that you can pump the oil in. So I'm gonna give this a try, see how it works. So this is how I'm using the syringe. I'm gonna put this in my oil and I'm gonna pull it up, and this will pick up the oil nicely. Seems to work good. For the rear differential, I have already jacked up my Ascent on the passenger side, as you can see. So this is gonna give me enough space back here to get under comfortably without too much trouble. And I'll show you where the differential is down here. Can you see this? Yeah. So here's the rear differential. This right here is a fuel plug. This right here is a drain plug. So we're gonna have to remove both of these, okay, to drain the oil out. And I already have a oil pan ready here. Actually, take T55 torque wrench. So here we go. Okay, I'll give you guys a pro tip. When you have trouble turning this, all you have to do is make it longer. Except I don't have a place to go. There you go. Then I'll loosen this one. All we have to do is make it longer. There we go. So, oh, it's very loose, so we're just gonna use my hand. Okay, that's one. Then this one, I expect oil to come out. Like that. Okay, so the rear is pretty easy. All right, I guess I waited long enough. I'm gonna go ahead and put the drain plug back. So I don't know what's going on, but when I removed the drain plug, it didn't have the washer. So I don't know what's going on. But anyway, I did order the washer for it. Both of these plugs have the same washer. And this is the part number that you need. You need two of them. That's the part number you need. Okay. Okay. 50 nanometer. Or Newton meter. I'm sorry. Okay, so now I'm ready to fill the oil on the plug right there. Okay, so here we go. Hopefully this worked. Yeah, that seems to work. So I'm just slowly pumping the oil in there. The way we know when we have enough is when it starts to spill out of there. Okay, so it hasn't spilled yet, so I'm gonna do one more time. Okay, here we go. Second one. basically second shot. So this syringe is working pretty good. Just have to do it multiple trip, looks like. Okay, I think it's spewing out now. You see that? So, I mean, we have enough. So, took about 4.5 syringe. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put this guy back. Yeah, this one didn't have the washer either, so I don't know why, but I put it on. Yeah. Now we're gonna tighten that up. Tighten this thing up to 50 Newton meter. There we go. Okay, that is how you replace the oil for the differential in the rear. Pretty easy. Okay, so earlier I cut this oil out right here to get the oil. That was a dumb idea. I could easily do it this way, and it's less messy. So this way is better. It's not necessary to do that cut. Okay, that's it.